Are you ready to discover how AI is revolutionizing marketing? In this video, we're going to show you 5 ways AI is changing the game when it comes to marketing. So if you're interested in staying ahead of the curve, keep watching. Personalization. Personalization refers to tailoring the marketing message or product recommendation to a specific customer or group of customers, based on their interests, behavior, or other personal data. This is made possible by AI algorithms that can analyze large volumes of data to create highly targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with individual customers. Chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered tools that can simulate human conversation, allowing businesses to interact with their customers in a more efficient and personalized way. With chatbots, businesses can provide 24/7 customer support, handle customer inquiries and complaints, and even guide customers through the purchasing process. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses AI algorithms to analyze data and make predictions about future events or trends. In marketing, predictive analytics can help businesses to identify potential customers, forecast sales, and anticipate future customer behavior. This can help businesses to create more effective marketing campaigns and improve their ROI. Marketing automation. Marketing automation refers to the use of AI-powered tools to automate repetitive marketing tasks, such as email campaigns, social media posts, and lead scoring. By automating these tasks, businesses can save time and resources, while also improving the efficiency and effectiveness of their marketing efforts. Image and voice recognition. Image and voice recognition technologies use AI algorithms to identify and analyze visual or auditory data. In marketing, this can be used to create more engaging and personalized content, such as targeted ads that use voice recognition to interact with customers, or image recognition to identify and recommend products based on a customer's browsing history. By incorporating these 5 AI-powered techniques into their marketing strategies, businesses can improve their customer engagement, increase their efficiency, and ultimately drive more sales. So there you have it, 5 ways AI is revolutionizing marketing. From personalization to predictive analytics, chatbots to marketing automation, and image and speech recognition, AI is changing the way businesses approach marketing. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, it's time to start exploring the possibilities of AI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to AI Think Tank for more insights on the latest AI tools and strategies.